I'll keep going.
Keep going.
Dumbledore. Dumbledore. Dumbledore.
Ron Weasley.
Dumbledore.
Ron Weasley.
Dumbledore.
Ron Weasley. Ron Weasley. Harry Potter. Ooh, Harry Potter. Ooh, Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Snape.
Dumbledore. Sauce to the chicken. It's a pipe bomb. Yay! Wah.
Nice! That was epic, guys. That was kind of a fail, but it's going on YouTube. It was kind of, but no one did it goodly though.
Wait,
Like we didn't have all the characters. Okay.
Hi. Down a notch, please.
Okay.
And sitting on the table's like probably okay. Put your feet on it. It's gross.
My feet on.
Your feet were up on that armrest.
Oh, sorry.
Thanks.
Okay, Dumbledore. Because it didn't flow. We had to do it good. Snape.